Here's how the CST works, using 918 Dill Avenue as an example. First, the Guild engages with legacy residents, community organizations, and local small businesses to identify the right property for community ownership. In this case, the right property is 918 Dill. Next, we raise the capital to acquire the property and begin a process of co-design with the community. In the case of 918 Dill, we acquired the property through a generous grant. From there, we assemble a mission-aligned capital stack. This is a pot of money that will allow us to build a permanently affordable space. This means using a combination of grants, public financing, and other sources of equity and debt with low interest rates and longer timelines than typically available, so that rents will not have to significantly increase over time. After the property is developed and operating, it enters the Community Stewardship Trust, which holds the property. Local residents will then be able to purchase shares of the CST. The trust will be a cooperative entity owned and governed by community shareholders. Share prices will start at $10 so that the investment is accessible to residents historically disenfranchised from these opportunities. Over time, as tenants pay rent, the debt on the property decreases while the value increases. Community shareholders, including the tenants in the properties, get returns on these increases in value. Instead of the value being extracted out of the neighborhood, it remains in the community. Neighborhood shareholders will also vote on decisions as to whether to spend excess income on a neighborhood grocery van or to support community initiatives, support future tenants with rent, or whatever the next project should be. Over a period of 10 years, the community shareholders buy back the equity from the upfront investors completely. This is a scalable model that more local properties can be added into the Community Stewardship Trust. Once a property goes into the trust, it will remain there permanently, off the speculative market and into the hands of the people who live in and around it for their benefit.